Okay, we're here at Taco Lamas, 4589 West Higgins Road, in the shopping center the Target anchors, coming out for some great Mexican cuisine. Very much looking forward to having them here in our community for many, many years to come. Great job! Great job! So I'd like to present to you a key to the Village of Hoffman Estates and many years of prosperity here in your Hoffman Estates location.
Very excited to open up Taco Lamas, where we combine authenticity and some creativity too. We have some family recipes that we've dated back. Our horchata recipe goes back over 200 years. Right now we're hand making tortillas. We've done some great fusion items where we have fried chicken, spicy chicken tacos, bacon wrapped jalapeno taco. So excited to be part of the community and bring something unique to the area. If you'd like to find out more about us, go to tacolamas.com.